Morning class, Coach Day. Today's video we're going to go over the system of equations from word problems. We're going to do this as a notes. It won't be for an individual assignment grade, but add this to your math binder. Keep up with your notes at home, please. And if you're in class and you missed a lesson, you can fill in these notes as you go. Now, our objective really is three things. First, we have to define the variables, figure out which one's x and y. All you really have to do is assign it, because it doesn't matter which one's x or which one's y. After that, you set up the equations and try to solve it. You can use elimination, you can use substitution, you can use graphing, and then identify your answer. Either put it as a point or as the two separate numbers if it asks for two numbers. So let's go through the first example. It says the sum of two numbers is 30 and their difference is 12. Find the two numbers. Well, we know that sum is another word for add. So two numbers added together gives us 30. So let's call the first number x, second number y, and x plus y equals 30. And then it says their difference is 12. So since we started with x, let's start it with x again. X minus y equals 12. Now it says find the two numbers. Well, you notice both of these are in standard form. So the method I'm going to use is going to be elimination. So I'm going to subtract to cancel out my x's. 1x minus 1x is 0. Y minus negative y is actually going to be 2y. And then 30 minus 12 is going to give me 18. Now, I don't need that 0 anymore, so bring everything down. 2y equals 18. All we have left now, divide by 2, and I get my y value is equal to 9. So, I have my first number, 9. I need to take this 9 and plug it into either one of these to get what the x is. So, I'm just going to use the first one. X plus y equals 30. And now we're going to plug in 9 for that y. So x plus 9 equals 30. Okay, move this, cancel it out, and we get our x value is equal to 21. So we got our two values. Alright, all we did, I defined my variables, picked one for x and y, kept it consistent, set up the equations, and then I solved it. Identifying our answers. Our two numbers are 21 and 9. And now we can check that. 21 plus 9 does equal 30, and 21 minus 9 does equal 12. So they both checked out. Let's try the second example. It says the sum of two numbers is 24, and their difference is 2. Once again, sum means add. Difference means subtract. So, two numbers added together, sum x plus sum y, is 24. Their difference is 2, so sum x minus sum y just equals 2. What are those numbers? Once again, this is very similar to the first one. I want you to go ahead and pause the video, work it out here, and then push play when you're ready to see the answer. Okay? Pause the video now. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cancel my y's this time just to show a different way. Because both my x's are 1, both my y's are 1. If I have a 1 positive plus 1 negative, that'll cancel. So that'll give me 0 y's. Add everything else. I've got 2 x's here, and then 24 plus 2 is 26. Now I don't need that 0 anymore. I get 2 times x equals 26, divide by 2. And I get my x value is equal to 13. Halfway done. Now I just have to take this 13 and plug it in. Since I used the top one and the last one, I'm going to use the bottom one. It really doesn't matter which equation you plug into when you use elimination. So x minus y equals 2. And then let's put in 13 minus y equals 2. Well, move my 13 to the other side. And I end up getting, that's going to be negative 11. Now, this is where a lot of people are going to make a mistake. This doesn't just say y, this is minus y, so it comes down as a negative y. We divide by negative 1, and we get our y is equal to positive 11. And now we can check it. 13 plus 11, does that equal 24? Yes. 13 minus 11 equals 2. So we just checked our answer. I'm going to stop the video here. We'll do 2 more problems on the next video.